How to fix graphics driver crashed error in Valorant. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the graphics driver crashed error in Valorant. Make sure to watch till the end so you don't miss any important steps. Let's jump right in. First, open the Start menu and search for Device Manager and click on it. Once inside Device Manager, expand the Display Adapters section. Right-click on your graphics card and select Properties. In the Properties window, go to the Driver tab. Once then click on Update Driver. Now, here select Browse My Computer for drivers. Click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Now choose the older or stable version of the driver from the list and click Next. Let it install. And once done, your system may restart automatically. That's how you can easily fix graphics driver crashed error in Valorant. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, then drop a like and subscribe. See you in the next one.